Daikin U0 error, low refrigerant issue, full technical explanation and professional breakdown. 2. What is U0? U0 indicates low refrigerant level in Daikin AC systems. This triggers compressor protection mode. Happens in split, multi-split, VRV/VRF systems. 3. Why low gas triggers U0? Low suction pressure detected by sensors. Insufficient refrigerant flow to evaporator. Compressor overheating risk, so system stops. 4. Main symptoms. Room not cooling properly. Outdoor compressor not running or short cycling. Suction pipe warm, frost at expansion area. System shuts down with U0 error. 5. Safety precautions. Turn off main power before opening unit. Use proper manifold gauge for R32/R410A. Do not release refrigerant into atmosphere. Use nitrogen for pressure testing. 6. Quick inspection before diagnosis. Check coils and filters for dust blockage. Check if indoor/outdoor fans are running. Look for oil marks at joints and piping. Ensure airflow is not blocked. 7. Tools needed. Manifold gauge set/digital pressure probes. Vacuum pump and micron gauge. Nitrogen cylinder plus regulator. Electronic leak detector. Weighing scale for accurate charging. 8. Common reasons for U0. Refrigerant leakage, most common cause. Flare joints loose or damaged. Copper pipe pinhole or crack. Outdoor or indoor coil leakage. Installation undercharged from day 1. 9. Diagnosis procedure. Check pressure readings. Inspect all flare joints. Perform soak test on visible joints. Use electronic leak detector. Nitrogen pressure test to confirm leak. Identify and repair the leaking section. 10. Typical leak points. Flare joints behind indoor units. Outdoor service valve ports. Copper pipes rubbed at metal clamps. Indoor/outdoor coil micro cracks. VRV branch selector units. 11. Leak repair steps. Recover leftover gas safely. Fix the leak, reflare or braze. Nitrogen pressure test for minimum 2 hours. Vacuum down to below 500 microns. Hold vacuum to ensure no moisture or leak. 12. Charging refrigerant properly. Charge as per nameplate weight. Add extra charge based on piping length. Charge as liquid for R410A. Use accurate scale for correct weight. Purge hoses before charging. 13. Post-charging verification. Run system for at least 10-15 minutes. Check superheat and subcool values. Check cooling performance and airflow. Monitor pipe temperatures. Clear U0 from system history. 14. Special notes for VRV/VRF. Large refrigerant volume requires strict leak testing. Use nitrogen for 24-hour test for big leaks. Check branch selector and header joints carefully. Follow Daikin service menu for auto charging. 15. Do's and don'ts. Do. Use nitrogen while brazing. Torque flare joints properly. Don't. Top up gas without repairing leak. Mix refrigerants. Vent gas to atmosphere. 16. Customer communication. Explain that U0 is caused by low gas due to leakage. Show leak evidence, oil marks, readings. Provide quotation for repair plus full recharge. Recommend annual maintenance to avoid repeat issues. 17. Final summary. U0 means low gas, usually due to leakage. Repair leak, pressure test, vacuum, recharge. Validate readings and ensure system cooling normally.